In the name of Allah, the most merciful and almighty. This is me, Abdul Basit, your English teacher. Welcome to my channel, Al Basit Academy. I will upload videos on all grammatical topics with the help of your support. Before starting this video, I request you to subscribe my channel. Dear students, today's lesson is on grammar review. There are so many ways of communication. For example, verbal communication, non-verbal communication, written, listening and visual communication. Language is the easiest way of communication. What is language? Language is the shared knowledge of sounds, words, meanings and grammatical rules that people use to send and receive messages. Language is a source of communication with the help of which we can communicate. Language can be spoken or written. Spoken and written. Words. What is word? Definition of word is a word is a single unit of language that can be represented in writing or speech. Vocabulary. A list or collection of words and their meanings. So vocabulary tell us what to say. What is grammar? Grammar is a set of rules for forming the words and arranging the words in a sentence in the correct order to convey the complete and correct meaning. What grammar tell us? Grammar tell us how to say. Here the words vocabulary tell us what to say and grammar tell us how to say. Grammar consists of parts of speech. These are parts of speech. I will upload videos on parts of speech. It will be basic to advanced. Here this is a grammar review, so I will only give you the basic information, definitions of all parts of speech. Parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions, prepositions, interjections. Noun, a naming word. For example, boy, books. Pronoun, a word used in the place of a noun. I, you, he, she, it, and they. These are the pronouns. I will make the detailed video on pronoun as well. I am student. You are boy. He is player. She is eating the meal. It is raining. They are playing cricket. These are also pronouns: each, every, either, neither, anyone, and someone. Verb, a word used to express an action or state. Example: run, walk, read, go, eat. Adjective, a word used to describe a noun. Examples: beautiful, pretty, swift, obedient, tall. Adverb, used to qualify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Examples: quickly, briskly, fast, so, very little, much. Preposition, a word which shows the relationship between two words in a sentence. Examples: in, on, at, from, over, under, beside. Conjunction, a word used to join words or sentences. For example, for, and, nor, but, or, and yet. Interjection, a word which expresses some sudden feeling. For example, wow, Alice, sah. Articles, small words used before nouns. Examples, a, in, the, and the. If you have any questions so far, ask me in comments box.